Top 10 pizzas, let's see.
Okay.
Oh, pasta, sorry. Seafood. Seafood, very good, number 10. Let's see. Marshmallow. Marshmallow, number 9. Very good. Very nice. Pina colada, number 3. Let's see. Canzone. Very good. Let's see. Plastelina, number 8. Beautiful. Bologna. Bologna is a city, it's not a food. Number 7. Lambada. Calcio with watermelon. Number 6. Let's see. Carabinieri. Number 4. And number 5 is Alberto.